My name is Paul. I'd like to introduce you to KÖSTER Waterstop. It's a very fast-setting mortar to immediately plug holes in leaking masonry. So here we have a tank with water, building up hydrostatic pressure, and a hole to go through it. So this simulates precisely a leak in your masonry wall. To begin, we take an empty bucket, and we're going to be putting in some water stop. Now this isn't measured. There's not a certain amount of water that goes to a certain amount of water stop. What you're going to do is do it by feel, so you get a different consistency. If you have a drier mixture to begin with, you're going to have a much shorter pot life. If you have a wetter mixture, you're going to have a longer pot life. So we begin adding a bit of water. And water stop powder to feel. You want to be able to get the water stop out into your hand and start playing with it. You knead it like it was dough. So you play with it back and forth. And you'll notice that it's almost ready to set when it no longer sticks to the gloves. So the gloves are going to begin to self-clean, and then you know you're just about ready to plug them. Now what you want to do is you want to shape the water stop like a rivet or a mushroom. And you're going to stick the stem or the bolt of the rivet into the hole. This would be a very good consistency if we have to very quickly install a small fillet, or if we want to quickly fill some pointing in the masonry. So you can scrape this along and do about 1 meter of fillet. So here, it's starting to stick a little less. And I can tell through the gloves, it's starting to develop a little bit of warmth. Now, because this hydrates very suddenly, you have very little time to actually do the application. When the mortar hits its sweet spot, you have about a second, which is actually a very long time just to push this into the wall. See? Becoming friable. Here. Make my mushroom. And stick that into the wall. Alright. We have cold temperatures today. The water is very cold, so it might take a little bit longer. But what you want to do is also smear that flat. See? Now it's already brittle. The working time is over. Smooth that over because it's a permanent repair. This becomes part of the wall, and you're going to do the subsequent area waterproofing directly on top of this patch. Thank you. Good day.